What's up, YouTube? How's everyone doing today? It is Tuesday, December 14th, 2021. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. What up, low roller? Dogecoin pumping today. Yeah, we'll talk about that first. Very happy about that. And the reason why is pretty dumb, but yeah, we'll get to that. Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. What up, Munir? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you as well, as always. All right. So, today we're doing the show from Ministan. What up, PZ? Yeah, people coming in nice and early today. Appreciate everyone. Thank you, guys. Yeah, today we're doing the show from Ministan. Yeah, really bad day today. Again. In the stock market and in crypto. Although it was worse earlier, the stock market seems like it ran a little bit here towards the end of the day. But still, all indexes in the red here. Crypto in the red, so all around good. So yeah, another red day, another bloodbath. So hope it wasn't too bad for you guys. Hope you guys, made out pretty okay. But yeah, still got a great show for you guys today. As always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews, and we have quite a bit of news today. We got news on the Fed tapering, that's coming up. I got an article about that. The debt ceiling, which is going to have to be raised pretty soon. And then an article about Elon Musk. We also had an article about Andrew Cuomo, but I decided not to do that today. Because we already have so much news, but honorable mention to Andrew Cuomo. He made $5 million on his book on how he handled the C-19, and apparently he has to give it back because, his image is really bad right now with the whole sexual harassment thing, and then he lied about how he handled the C-19. He actually handled it really terribly. He put all the patients in the nursing homes, which deleted a lot of people. So, honorable mention. I don't think you guys care. Anyone from New York probably cares, but most of you guys don't care. But that was an honorable mention. Andrew Cuomo. All right, and then after that, today we're going to be analyzing Dogecoin. Let's go, Dogecoin. Ocugen. Haven't talked about that one in a while, but that should be fun. Ocugen, not doing great. ESSC, I already forgot the hell the name of that company is. It's Eaststone Acquisition. That one was squeezing. Made it top 10 on trending and active on StockTwits today. So we'll discuss that. Then GRTX, which is also squeezing. That was number 10 on StockTwits today. So we'll discuss that one. And then honorable mention ADGI. Well, maybe we'll do a full-on TA of ADGI if we have time. This shouldn't take too long. But ADGI, that one got wrecked. That was number 1 trending on StockTwits. Not active, but trending. So there's a lot of things to talk about today. And they're pretty straightforward. It shouldn't take too long. But there is a good amount of TA to be done today. And as always, we'll get to our Yolos. Have a few good Yolos today. And a few good memes. So this should be a good show. A lot of stuff to talk about. A lot of people in here nice and early. So, yeah, let's do it, guys. Appreciate everyone. And before we begin, please hit the like button. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. Oh, and yeah, guys, I overslept today, so I couldn't pump out the video from yesterday, but that's almost done, so I'll get that out pretty soon after this show is done. I'll probably, put out both videos at the same time, yesterday's video and today's video. All right, money at Prague. Today I have bought. Do you think it'll go high for short term? Let's check it out. That's a meme stock, so be careful about that. Okay. So it's a little hard to say. There are some mixed signals here. There's a gap up here at 110. So it may come down to 110. Hopefully not, but, that's a possibility, so be careful there. That'd be pretty nasty. But also, this does look like it's bottoming out here. You know, catching support. Looks like 235 and like 220 are some, you know, pretty strong support there. So hopefully that holds. And, you know, if this is in fact a cup and handle, then this should run back up to like $6. You know, don't expect it to go to $6 like in you know, anytime soon, but, you know, probably a couple months, maybe a couple weeks, couple months it might. And I also see consolidation here. Yeah, this is consolidating. Draw a triangle here. And we can draw one from down here. So, yeah, not quite symmetrical, but it looks like an ascending wedge. So that's bullish. So it does appear to be more bullish than bearish. But, you know, just be careful, dude, because this is a meme stock, and that gap up at 110 is very scary. So maybe set a stop loss, I would say. Maybe set a stop loss. Maybe at 2. That'd be a good idea, I think. Not financial advice, but I think it does look pretty good, I have to say. But I'd recommend setting a stop loss like at 2 or something, you know, in case it goes bad. And then you don't get stuck holding this down to 110. But, yeah, I say it looks pretty decent. It looks pretty decent. This could be the bottom, actually, like 235. So, it looks pretty good, man. Good luck to you, and, yeah, consider using stop loss. Alright. So, let's get started, guys. So, the Dow Jones finishes down 0.3%. The NASDAQ finishes down 1.04%. Nasty. And the S&P 500 finishes down 0.75%. Yep, another bloodbath. Another bloodbath today. You're welcome, dude. Good luck, man. The VIX is up 7%, up 1.42. And that is over, that's pushing 22 now. And again, any VIX above 20 is considered pretty volatile and scary. And anything below 20 is considered stable and looks pretty good. So yeah, we're above 20 right now. So a little bit scary. The fear index is pretty uncertain right now. But yeah, let's check it out. Not too much in the green here. But we got Beyond Meat up 9.29%. Interesting. Looks like a few meme stocks are going up today. Beyond Meat is the biggest one on my watch list here. What up, Marvin? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. I really like all that MMAT stuff you posted today. I got up late, so I didn't see it, till, like, you know, pretty recently. But that was pretty funny. Those Yolos and these delusional apes. It's gonna squeeze. You know, it's pretty funny and sad at the same time. You know, because we are kind of laughing at them, which is sad. You know, people are losing their money there, and it's just sad because they really believe in this thing, and you can't be too emotional about it. Like, clearly, it's shit, and they think they have something gold. So, hey, you know, you just got to learn your lesson the hard way, and they don't learn. And then I love the fact that you posted the short report of, I forgot who wrote it, but, you know, pretty accurate. So, you know, good luck to the MMAT apes there. Dogecoin helped all meme stock go up today, except Shiba Inu didn't go up. I didn't quite see what all the other meme stocks are doing, but I did see Doge is up a lot, and SHIB didn't move at all. So, you know, score 1 for the Doge army. Screw the SHIB army. I'm on the Doge side. I really don't care, actually. I have nothing against SHIB, but I actually would want to buy some if it comes down a little lower. But yeah, great day for Dogecoin. We'll get to that very shortly. Yep, but like you said, I bet they're going to end up being right somehow. Yeah. I mean, it has to pop eventually. You know, it's going to have a nice pump, but it does every couple of months. We already know how it goes. But, yeah, you know, they're going to be too emotionally invested. When it comes to these meme stocks, you got to hit the sell button. They're not going to hit the sell button. They're going to diamond hands and lose it right back. So, no, not that one. This one's more appropriate.
With diamond hands, they knew they'd profit if they could only hold.
So they're going to profit and then lose it right back. But thanks for posting that in the Discord, dude. Good stuff, good stuff. What up, Busy Bone? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. Sheep going up now. Interesting. I got to check that out. We'll get to that really, really shortly. Wonder why. Maybe just in sympathy with Doge. Who knows? But thanks for being here, dude. Please smash the like button for me, guys. Would appreciate that. Elon pumping Doge again. Yeah, you're getting ahead of me here, dude. We'll get to that, man. All right, back to the watch list. And thank you to everyone who's in here nice and early. Really appreciate you guys. This is going to be a great show. All right. So, yeah, GME up 7.9%. That's bouncing back. AMC is also bouncing back. 5.42%. BKKT, another meme stock. Yeah, the memes are going up today. The VIX VIX is third on the list. That's pretty funny. I believe Uber, I read an article. The CEO said I think they had their best month ever or something like that. So that was some good PR for Uber. And Alibaba going up 3.55%. Nice. Actually, no, Baba is holding at like 120. Maybe not. I didn't even know it went down this low. No, it is holding at like 120-ish. So this could be the bottom, hopefully. But yeah, I still don't believe. All right, what else we got here? Nothing too important. So really not too much price action on the green side. But you know, GME and AMC recovering a lot there. Moderna, which is apparently a meme stock, that's up 1.9%. Coinbase up. Looks like crypto stocks are up today for some reason. Crypto was down overall, I think. But yeah, crypto stocks going up here. Looks like financials are doing pretty well. Ally Bank. Discover. Morgan Stanley. MicroStrategy, that's another financial, not a crypto stock there. AMD is up. Interesting, because the NASDAQ got wrecked today, and AMD is up. But AMD is kind of a meme stock, a legit meme stock. So that's interesting. I wonder why AMD is up today. Marathon, another crypto stock, is up. Palantir, another meme stock, that's up. Is the meme index up today? Got to check. Bank of America, another financial there. IBKR, that is a financial. That's about it. JP Morgan, another financial there. Wells Fargo. Nvidia is also up. Interesting. Nvidia is not so much a meme stock, but you know the Nasdaq got wrecked. So I wonder why AMD and Nvidia are up today. It looks like the vaccine stocks are up. J&J, Moderna, and Pfizer. Not Ocugen though. We'll talk about that. But yeah, the three major vaccine plays, Moderna, Pfizer, and J&J are up. Anything else here? Not really. Is Uber profitable yet? I doubt it. I doubt it. They're not going to be for a while, I don't think. Because they just keep buying new cars and stuff. And they're investing in the, you know, the self-driving thing. Maybe eventually, with self-driving, they don't have to pay anyone anymore. Maybe they'll be profitable, but I think it's going to be a long time. Baba is looking good for once. It is holding. It looks promising. Let's put it that way. I don't believe yet, but it does look promising. Meme ETF up? I don't think so. But a lot of the memes in the meme ETF are up. Now, meme is down 2% today. Which is interesting. Because it looked like a lot of the stocks in the meme ETF were up. But I guess more were down. This is pretty hilarious. You know, it went up the first day. Then it's just slowly bleeding and bleeding and bleeding. Yeah, I don't know. This kind of seems like a bad long-term play, in my opinion, but hey, apes love it. Everybody's waiting in participation. They can be in anticipation to see what J Money Pal is gonna say. Is he talking today or later this week? I mean, you know it's not gonna be good. Let's just put it that way. I don't know why people are waiting for. You know it's gonna be bad. No matter what he says, good or bad, it's gonna tank the stock market. It doesn't matter. So I don't know why people are so anxious about that. I don't know what is going on. Floki Inu price. We'll check out Floki Inu really soon. We'll get to that after this, man. Interesting though. All right. So yeah, on the green side, it looks like memes are up, financials, and vaccines for the most part, and some random like tech stocks. But yeah, really not much going on the green side. Check out the red side now. Later this week. Okay. Hyperinflation coming. Yeah, and we thought it was bad already. Yeah, 7% this year, worst inflation in 40 years, and it just keeps on going. And that we'll get to this. We got articles in a sec, but now the Fed is like, maybe we're not going to call it transitory anymore. Inflation's not transitory anymore. Like, yeah, damn right. It's going through the roof, and you can't stop it now. We overshot. So, yeah, unfortunate, but hey, keep it printing, right? Spider Mark. I wonder if that's a play on words there. Spider Mark, like SPY. But, anyway. Either way, thanks for being here, dude. Thoughts on ESSC doing a reversal? Well, we're going to discuss it later on in the show, so I can give you a quick summary right now, but if you'd like to stay, you're welcome to, and we could do a full-on analysis later on in a little bit. But honestly, if you're not currently in here, I would just stay away from this. This is extremely dangerous. It looks like the squeeze is over. Personally, I think the squeeze is over. I may be wrong. But if it is, and it most likely is, I think it's coming back down to like 11 or $10. So if you're up, I just take the profit now, and I would not buy in here, and I would not short this either, because anything can happen. Yeah, so if you're not in it, I'd stay away, and if you're in it right now, I'd probably get out if you're up or down, personally. But yeah, dude. Again, and it's pulling back in the aftermarket. That's not good for tomorrow. But yeah, we'll discuss this more in detail in a little bit when we get to it. So that's the short version. Hope that answers your question. And yeah, dude, if you want to stay for a little bit, we can discuss it in full detail later on in the show. But thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you. At this point, it's J Money Pal. Take the wheel of my portfolio. Yeah, for everyone. Jesus, take the wheel. Yep, that's pretty much for everyone. Everyone's portfolio is in the hands of this guy. Transitory, my ass. Dogecoin will be $50 next year if hyperinflation happens next year. I will be filthy rich. I don't know about $50. That'd be cool. I'd be mad if I sold and then it goes to $50. But Bitcoin is a hedge against inflation. Imagine Dogecoin. Imagine meme coins are a hedge against inflation. That'd be pretty hilarious. So I don't know about $50, but hey, I sure hope so. All right, on to the red side. So actually, there's not too much price action on the red side, but I think a lot of the value blue chip stuff did go down today. Okay, let's check it out. So Ocugen, which we will discuss second today. That's down 9.25%. Not surprised. Anything new? Yeah, Ocugen getting wrecked. Pretty funny, because literally the other three vaccine stocks, the legit ones, are going up, and then Ocugen just keeps on going down. It's going, lower lows. This is hilarious. Well, I shouldn't use the word hilarious. I do feel bad for the apes who believe in this, but this is really bad. We'll get to this. Draw another one here. Where's the, there it is. All right. Yeah, we'll discuss Ocugen second today. So a few memes are up. A lot of other memes are down here. So Ocugen, that should be in the meme ETF. I don't know why it's not. That and MMAT, those deserve to be there more than like some other stocks. Is Clover in there? I don't remember. Clover deserves to be in there too. But yeah, that's down. ALF meme stock, that's getting wrecked. GREE getting wrecked. Wish, I think Wish is in there. But yeah, Wish just keeps on going down, making lower lows. 6.45%. Damn. I had Wish at 10. I sold it at 10. Look at this. Lower lows. Amazing. We'll get to that. No, excuse me. We're not. I was thinking about Ocugen. But yeah, apes still love Wish. Apes still love MMAT. Those getting wrecked. Apes still love an Ocugen. MMAT is down 5.83%. That's below $3 now. Oh my god. But diamond hands, guys, it's gonna squeeze, right? No, I'm totally kidding. Peloton, which is apparently a meme stock. That's down 5% today. And Clover down 4.27%. So yeah, a lot of memes getting wrecked here. What up, educated fool? Thanks for being here, dude. CSEAC just jumped 20% after hours. Yeah, I saw that it was trending on StockTwits. I think they had earnings, that's why. Did the earnings just come out? No, earnings come out at 5, actually. I'm pretty sure. Oh, it did come out. It did come out. That's what's going on. So EPS -3 cents beat the 6 cent estimate. And yeah, 7.2 million in sales beat the $6 million estimate. So yeah, that's what's going on with this one. Good earnings there. So it's pumping. I was thinking about talking about this stock. It was trending on StockTwits, but there was a lot to get to today, so we're not going to do it. I was really considering it, though, but yeah, we're not going to do it. I'm not prepared for that. No TA and stuff, but this was trending this was like number 5 on StockTwits today. So yeah, it looks like it's short squeezing, and it had good earnings, which is like, which just helps it. But yeah, this is like in the middle of a short squeeze right now. 111 million in volume, only 3 million average. So yeah, this is a short squeeze, and anticipation for earnings, and they overperformed in earnings. So good for this stock. Honorable mention, SEAC. We're not going to cover it today, but yeah, honorable mention. Congratulations to everyone with that stock. Please smash the like button for me, guys. Crazy price action in Ocugen to the downside. Yeah. Wish is bootleg. Oh yeah, dude. I don't know. Like, to me, Wish is actually, like, I do like the company. It's pretty legit, the company itself. The stock, I don't know. I kind of feel like it's being manipulated. I'm already out. I sold at 10. But I just feel like it wasn't a meme stock until the apes made it a meme stock. Like, even the institutions liked it, and as soon as it became a meme stock, the institutions are like, all right, whatever. Let's just rug pull the apes now. Just my opinion. Look at going up crazy. You don't know what's going on. Check their Twitter account. We'll get to crypto really soon. That's very interesting. Like, I keep trying to tell those ardhards and StockTwits, George doesn't care about the stockholders. Yeah, definitely not. But at this point, it's all emotional, They don't want to know. They don't care what you have to say, because they are emotionally invested and financially invested, and they don't want to hear it, dude. They don't want to. They don't want to hear any haters. So you know, the only way to learn is get burned, and they get burned and they still don't learn. So hey, can't do anything at this point. Coinbase is broken. Everything on the charts is up to 20,000%. Hopefully it's not broken. No, that's pretty funny. Leave it's Coinbase. Terrible platform. But, you know, they got the monopoly. Alright, guys, back to this. So continuing on with the red side. Yeah, a lot of memes down. Neo, what the hell's going on with Neo? That's down 4%. That's pushing $30 again. And I sold it, like, in the 50s, so... And I really like the stock. Damn shame. Yeah, a lot of these meme plays in the meme index are down. Peloton, Roblox, DraftKings. I don't even think these are meme stocks, but apparently they're meme stocks. Those are all down. Microsoft, yeah. Yeah, it looks like... So there's not too much price action, but the sell-off today was because of a lot of blue chip stocks are down. You see here, Microsoft down 3.26%. That's pretty bad. Tilray, that's another meme stock in the meme index. And Robinhood, those are down 2.9%. Was Square in the... I forget if Square was in the meme index. I forget. I don't think it is, but... Did Square change their name? Why does it say Block Inc.? Is Square not Square anymore? Square is Block Inc.? I didn't know that. What the hell? I used to have Square. Wow. Interesting. Snapchat, that's another meme stock. Apparently, I don't think so, but... Yeah, that's down 2.69%. 68%. Viacom, under 30 now. So disgusting. I really like Viacom. And it just keeps on going low. Lower and lower. So, yeah, what you gonna do? I mean, at this point, Viacom's kind of a meme stock, too. Because of Bill Wong. I got a meme about Bill Wong later. Stay tuned for that. Yeah, meme index down 2%. Yeah, it looks like all the Chinese EVs are down. Xpeng is down. Anything else important here? Not really. Yeah, the Trump stocks are down. And a lot of blue chip tech is down. Google down 1.32%. Yeah, Netflix is down. Tesla is down slightly, 0.82%. It was down worse earlier. Apple down. So yeah, honestly, today wasn't as bad as the indexes would suggest. I mean, everything is down today, but this is mostly led by blue chip stocks, specifically tech. Tech is getting wrecked today. And the things that are up today, again, are a few memes, the big memes, financials, and the vaccine stocks, it appears like. But yeah, overall, pretty nasty day in the stock market. A lot of red. So, you know, past couple of weeks, it's been pretty volatile, pretty rough in the stock market. And crypto. So yeah, I hope it wasn't too bad for you guys today. Hope you guys made money. If not, you know, hope you guys are holding up. $30 is a great buy, in my opinion, on Neo. Yeah, I mean, I thought 40 was pretty good too, but, you know, Chinese stock, it's not trading fundamentally right now, according to the fundamentals. It's trading at whatever the president, Xi Jinping, thinks it's worth. Yeah, who knows what the China fund? Yeah, it's too much, it's too scary right now. Yes, they changed the name. I did not know that. CEO of Twitter quit last week. Yeah, because he said he wanted to pursue his true passion, Bitcoin. That's what he claims. I got a chart in the S post section in the group. Chart on what? Forgot to do not disturb. Oh, on MMAT? Or this chart? What is this referencing? I saw this. I didn't know what you were talking about here. Which? I mean, it's Bezos and Elon. Yeah, I just quickly glanced over that, but yeah, I'll take a look at that later. All right, so yeah, that is the stock market today, guys. Pretty nasty stuff. Let's move on to crypto now. I didn't check this since this morning, so hopefully it's a little better. And we'll see what memes... What the hell? Look, even CoinMarketCap is broken. Everything is broken. Look. Crypto market is up. Crypto market cap is... What the hell? Look at this. Everything is broken. What is this? What in the world? Yeah, this is broken. So I guess we can't do this today. But hey, it's pretty funny. Crypto is up 8 billion% today. This is pretty funny. Doge Dash. So yeah, all of this is broken, but there's Doge Dash, Doge Alliance, GOAT token. Interesting. Hey, look, Ethereum is at 109 billion bucks. Binance is at $19 billion. Where's Bitcoin? Where's Bitcoin? Look at Dogecoin price. Yeah, Dogecoin is at $27 million now. Oh, it just went to 3.5 million. What the hell is going on? It's not just Coinbase. For some reason, everything is broken here. CoinMarketCap is broken too. So I guess we can't do this. The hell is going on? Is it broken on the app too? Inflation, yeah. Inflation, right. Is the app broken too, or is it just the website? No, the app's broken too. Bitcoin is worth $870 billion now. Per Bitcoin. Nice. See you guys later. I'm a billionaire now. We are all billionaires. Yeah, we're all billionaires. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Pretty funny stuff, though. So I guess we can't do this today. But yeah, this is pretty funny. Check on this site, CoinGecko. All right, so this one is not broken. That was pretty funny. All right, so yeah, Bitcoin is up 3.7%. Nice recovery there. Do your math on Dogecoin. How many do I have? A lot. I don't know, dude. Yeah, Bitcoin's back over 48K. Ether is up 2.8%, pushing 3,900 again. So actually, nice reversal here. Crypto is going up now. Earlier this in the morning when I checked, everything was down. So crypto is bouncing back right here. Solana up 5.3%, Cardano 4.7%, XRP 6.1%. Nice. Dogecoin, it's still going up 20.2% today, pushing 19 cents. Let's go. Yeah, Shiba's going up 4.2%. Nice. Literally 4.20%. Meme. Yeah, everything's recovering here. Very nice. Shiba's only 3,300 bucks. That'd make a lot of people rich still. So yeah, very nice recovery here in crypto. Oh, we'll discuss Dogecoin first today, very soon, after we get through our articles. Look, number 69, Bitcoin Cash ABC. What the hell is that? That's up 375% today. Yeah, a lot of green, a lot of green. Very nice, very nice. Much needed. Nice surprise. Yeah, so Bitcoin Cash ABC is by far the biggest gainer. And then we got Dogecoin. Let's go. Good amount of price action here. Good amount of price action. Not so many coins in the red here. Other than the Sandbox, Bitcoin SV, Gala. Yeah, but, 95% of the coins in the green here. And a good amount of price action. Let's go Dogecoin. It looks like these are really the smaller market cap coins, though. Dogecoin leading the way. Then we got XRP and Solana. Cardano. But yeah, nice recovery in crypto today. It was red a couple hours ago, so very, very nice. But it does appear like the smaller cap stuff is leading the way. 3.9% today on crypto. Very nice. Crypto looks good compared to the stock market. Yeah, it could be people hedging. It does appear to be somewhat of a hedge. That definitely is a factor. People are hedging their bets against inflation here. Red coin price. What's the red coin price? 11,800. Let's go. Yeah, great stuff. Great stuff. If only this were true. All right, guys, let's get on to the news today. So let me let this finish loading and we'll get started on our articles here. All right, so today we got 3 articles. One about the Fed and rate hikes / inflation. Then we got one about the debt ceiling and one about Elon Musk. So let's do it, guys. CoinMarketCap got hacked today. If the price is real, we all will be rich. The bank will be bankrupt. Yeah, one could one could hope. That would have been very nice, but well, apparently it's not just CoinMarketCap. It's Coinbase too. Look at Coinbase balance. Are you billionaire on Dogecoin? I might be. Okay. Let me see. I'm not a billionaire, but I am a, I got $28 million. You see? $29 million. Yeah, let's go. That's literally all I got is Dogecoin in Coinbase. Very nice, very nice. Imagine I could sell right now. That's pretty funny. All right, back to this. All right, so the Federal Reserve is expected to take a very big step towards its first rate hike. Cash out? I can't. I wish. If it was real. All right, key points. The Federal Reserve is expected to announce a more rapid transition away from its easy policies after its meeting Wednesday, as it sets the stage for its first interest rate hike next year. The Fed is also likely to provide a new description of how it views inflation and acknowledge that it no longer views it as transitory. Should have put that in quotes. One wild card that market pros are watching closely is what the Fed says about its $8 trillion balance sheet and whether it tips when it might start to shrink it. Okay, so it's happening, guys. Rate hikes are happening later than expected. They said they would start at the end of November, so now they're saying end or beginning of next year. But yeah, this is happening. I mean, it's too late in my opinion. Transitory. Been saying for a whole year, it's transitory, and now it just got way out of control. And even now, the Fed has to admit, all right, it's not transitory anymore. It's here to stay. And they let it overshoot, and now it's out of control. Literally, the Fed cannot control inflation anymore. So it's here to stay. Everything's gonna go up, and I mean, it is a bad thing, but for right now, we're okay. But they're gonna taper pretty soon, and expect a big stock market slowdown. It was fun, guys. Good while it lasted. Hopefully the market doesn't tank, but yeah, definitely the market is due for a slowdown at least. Hopefully not a recession or anything. But yeah, this is happening. Fed is finally going to start tapering. So get ready, guys. Next year, so 2 weeks away from this. Or that's what they say, at least. Okay. Next article about the debt ceiling. Democrats will move. Let's back up for a second here. Democrats will move to raise the debt ceiling hours before the deadline. Key points. Congressional Democrats plan to raise the debt ceiling on Tuesday, just before the deadline that could mark the first U.S. default. The Senate is expected to pass a borrowing cap increase late Tuesday afternoon. The bill will then travel to the House, where the narrow Democratic majority is expected to approve the Senate's version and send it to President Joe Biden's desk. Okay, so this is going to get done. It's just, political stuff going on right now. Can't agree on something, but they'll get this through. But yeah, increase the borrowing, print more money, right? So this isn't anything to be, too concerned about. But this is, this has to do with the markets and pretty significant news. But the U.S. is not going to default, or it shouldn't at least. And this is just politics, and they'll get something worked out. They'll get it worked out, and everything will be back to normal. But yeah, debt ceiling is the deadline is coming up pretty soon here. But don't worry about it, guys. It'll get handled. Went from paying $1 a pound for a bag of tomatoes to $1.50 in a matter of months. Yeah, that sounds about right. Dollar store, Dollar General, Dollar Tree. What was the other one? Family Dollar. Those are all. It's not $1 anymore. It's $1.25. So like, what the hell? Everything is going up. I'll be really mad if Arizona starts going for over $1. The iced tea drinks, the Arizona. They claim they'll never raise that. It's only going to be $1, but I'd be pretty mad if that went over $1. It's been $1 ever since I was a child. So, yep, inflation is here to stay, guys. All right, one more. This is about Elon Musk. All right, Elon Musk stocks sales could total $18 billion by end of the year. Key points. Musk sold $906 million in Tesla stock Monday. As of Tuesday morning, he has sold a total of 11.9 million shares, according to Insider Score. Musk is making two kinds of stock sales, one to pay taxes on his compensation package, and the other for straightforward cash outs or to pocket sales. Based on his 10% sale target, Musk will likely only sell another $5 billion before the year is out. Only. That's still a lot. So, nothing new. We knew this already, but didn't know the total amount he cashed out. So, we talked about this yesterday. Elon Musk sold another $1 billion. And apparently, he still has to sell $5 billion more in 2 weeks. So, not good for Tesla bulls. Yep, Elon is the biggest bear in Tesla right now. Yeah, and, the apes really don't care. I mean, they do care, but the stock is holding up pretty well, I will say. He's been dumping a lot of stock. And he makes it back in Dogecoin anyway. I'm sure he has a lot of Dogecoin. So yeah, so we knew he was dumping shares, but in total, apparently he's gonna dump $18 billion. So bad for Tesla bulls. Bad for Tesla bulls. All right, guys. So yeah, that is all the news for today. I guess we have another article here from Low Roller. You know what? This is perfect. Because we're going to talk about Doge right now. So let me keep this open while I pull up TradingView. And we're going to do Dogecoin first. So, guys. Once again, we're going to do Dogecoin, Ocugen, ESSC, and GRTX. And maybe ADGI. Alright, so 1 second. Let me pull up TradingView here, and we'll get started with our TA. Elon Musk probably quadrillion on Dogecoin today. I want to know how much he has, how much Dogecoin he has. But he's also exercising his call options. Yeah, that's true. So he's actually making more money than he's selling off. But yeah, this guy's dumping a lot. He's rich. You didn't know Dogecoin news about Tesla payment? Yeah, I did know that. That's the reason. I was just gonna get to that. But there wasn't a whole article on it before, so that's a good thing. Good thing there is one now. Where is? Here it is. TradingView is a little weird now. They changed the format of TradingView. Here we go. For Tesla merch only. Yeah, he said Tesla merch, but I think there's a little confusion right now. Because some outlets were reporting you could buy your whole Tesla car with Doge, but I think that's false. I think it's just Tesla merch. I mean, doesn't really matter. It's about the tweet, People don't care about Tesla merch like that. No one cares about buying Tesla merch in Dogecoin. It's just the tweet is what made this go off. But yeah, Eric, thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you as always. Cocos is number 1 coin market cap today. I don't know what that is. All right, let's do it, guys. So here is DOGE Dogecoin. This is currently sitting at 18.8 cents, and that is up 19.56%. Stream starting or stopping? Not sure what you mean, Eric, but no, we're still going for a while here. So it started an hour ago, but we're still going here for quite a while. Okay. So yeah, major price action on Dogecoin today was one of the biggest gainers in crypto after Bitcoin Cash ABC, and there was a reason for this. Our man Elon Musk did it again. Got an article on CNBC, so let's check it out. Keep getting error. Is anyone else getting an error on the stream? Is it okay? It might be just you, Eric. Let me know, guys. Is the stream okay? Gotta continue here. I think it's just you. No one else is saying anything, man. But let me know, guys. Bet a lot of people are screaming right now. I am multimillionaire in Coinbase. People have heart attack. Coinbase will have another lawsuit. Yeah. No. Yes. Back. Is it no or yes? It looks good on my end. All right. I think we're good. I'm just gonna continue here, guys. But yeah, it'd be psych. Psych, you're a millionaire. Nope. All right. Dogecoin spikes more than 20% after Elon Musk. Stream crashed again. Give me 1 second, guys. Let me see what's going on here. It looks good on my end. Guess YouTube is Yeah, so I just pulled up YouTube. It does look like it's having some problems. So I hope it corrects itself. Looks good on my end. So yeah, YouTube is messing up my show right here. So I'm gonna keep going. Hopefully it's good. All right, so my apologies, guys. All right, back to this. Dogecoin spikes more than 20% after Elon Musk says Tesla will accept it as payment for merch. Key points. Dogecoin skyrocketed more than 20% on Tuesday after Elon Musk said Tesla would accept its payment as payment for some merchandise. Musk has frequently talked up Dogecoin, calling it his favorite digital coin, and mentioning it in an appearance on Saturday Night Live. Dogecoin hit a record high price above 74 cents in May, but has since plunged sharply. We back. All right, good. I didn't even know it went down, so yeah, I saw it kicked off everyone, the concurrent viewers. So yeah, my apologies, guys, but it looks like we're good. Hopefully we're good. You know, YouTube messing up my show here. Okay. So yeah, literally that's the only reason why Doge went up so much today. Our man Elon Musk pumping the coin again, back at it, which is great. And full disclosure, guys, I do have a position in Dogecoin. So yeah, this went as high as 22, almost 23 earlier today. But it is pulling back right now. But hey, I'll take it. Good stuff. So let's go ahead and analyze here. Kind of scary. This kind of looks like a bear flag. No confirmation yet. Keeps crashing. Come on. Really? Alright, guys, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to restart the stream. Hopefully it works. I don't know what's going on here. But I'm going to restart the stream. So, be back in a couple minutes. It's all streams? It's all streams? So maybe I shouldn't restart the stream. Tried another and had issues. Fucking YouTube. Damn it, YouTube. Alright, well. Coinbase now, YouTube cyber attack. Yeah, YouTube DDoS. Oh, man. That's very unfortunate. Because this is a great show, and you know. That's unfortunate. So I guess there's no point in stopping the stream. I'm just going to keep going here, guys. You know, my apologies. I understand if you guys want to leave. You know, no point in staying if the stream keeps stopping and starting. So, damn it. So I'm going to keep going here, guys. Hopefully, it corrects itself. But, yeah, you know, I can't blame you guys if you want to leave. So, you know, out of my control here. Very unfortunate. But appreciate everyone for being here, and hope you guys can stick around. Yeah, I'm going to keep going. I just hope you guys, you know, I hope it fixes itself, and appreciate you guys for sticking around. All right. So back to this. And I hope the playback is okay. Okay. So, kind of scary here because this does look like a possible bear flag is forming. No confirmation yet, but if this is in fact a bear flag, Dogecoin can break out to the downside pretty soon here. That'd be very disgusting. Don't really see anything else. So, yeah, let's do the support and resistance. We'll do this up to 35 cents. Okay. So, right now, this is sitting on the support of 18.8 cents. So, if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 19.2 cents. 20.7, 22.7, 25, 27.2, 29.2, 30.4, 33, 34.1, and then 36.5. And there is resistance above 36.5 cents. But we're not going to discuss that right now. Yeah. And if this goes... Okay. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 18 cents, 16.6, 15.4, 14.5, 11.6, 9.5, 7.4, 6.3, and then 5.1. So right now at this current price, 18.8 cents. The channels to the upside and the downside are decently sized, so expect a good amount of price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 30.5 cents to the upside, the channel starts to open up. And if this breaks 14.5 to the downside, the channel starts to open up. So expect a significant increase in price action if/when this breaks 30.5 or 14.5. RSI is currently at 46, so that's a little below average. And how much volume did this do today? And this did 676 million in volume today, which is actually below, which is very significant price action, very significant volume. So this pump today was confirmed by the volume. Okay. Okay, guys. So just my opinion, not financial advice. This very well could come back down to 15 cents. Literally, today's pump was just because of Elon Musk. People are going to take their profits. They already are. It hit 23 at one point. So already pulling back. And it could pull back down to where it was before the tweet was sent. And we do have the bear flag there. So that would make sense if it did. I certainly hope not. I am in Doge myself, so don't want it to go down, but it very well could, based on the TA here and based on typically what happens after good PR. And again, if this does break 14.5, that could be really, really bad. There's really no support holding this up after 14.5. It can go... It really could go back down to like 7.5 if it breaks 14.5. So, really hope that doesn't happen. But yeah, if you want to go long, not financial advice. Actually did miss a cup and handle here. It does look like a cup and handle. Yeah, my bad, guys. This also looks like a possible cup and handle here. Looks like the top of the cup is around 29 cents. And the bottom is around 15 cents. So that's a bullish indicator. That is telling us this coin could come back up to 29 cents to complete the cup there. Okay. All right, looks like people coming back in. Hopefully the stream is fixed. My apologies, guys. YouTube is effing up right now. Did Coinbase fix the price? I don't know, dude. I'll check in a second here. Eric, just honest feedback. Don't enjoy the reading of the level. I appreciate the feedback, dude. Maybe I shouldn't read all of them, but, support and resistance is definitely, a big a big part of TA. So, maybe I don't have to read all of them, but I definitely should read some. But, I appreciate the feedback. If other people don't like all the reading of the price levels either, then, I'm willing to change it up a little bit. But yeah, appreciate the feedback, dude. All right, where was I? Yeah, so we're getting some mixed signals here. Bullish indicator in the cup and handle, bearish indicator in the bear flag, and neutral indicator in the RSI. So pretty difficult to tell where this is going to go in the short term. But I would say if you want to go long, I would hold off for a little bit right now, because this did pop on good PR, and usually things fade back to where they were before it popped on PR. So this could come back to 16. And I think 16 would be an excellent price for going long. Excellent entry. So, I mean, 19 isn't exactly a bad price. So I could support going long at 19. But you may be able to get this at 16, which is a way better price. So couldn't blame you guys if you want to buy in at 19. But personally, I would wait until 16. And if it pulls back lower than 16, that might be pretty bad, but you can just average down at the supports that I mentioned before. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. It could pay off pretty big if this does break 1450, like I said before. But personally, I just don't believe in shorting crypto. That is extremely risky. And this is a meme coin. This is the meme coin. So this could theoretically pump and squeeze at any moment. So I just don't think the risk is worth a reward on the short side. Going short would be a high risk, high reward play. Could pay off pretty big, but most likely you're gonna end up getting burned. So I don't think going short is a good idea. I would not support that. But if it does pull back to 7.50, 7.5 cents, that'd be, over a 50% downside. So could pay off pretty big, but again, way too risky for my liking. I just don't even think it's worth it. But if you want to do it, then do it at your own risk. Okay. So congratulations to everyone who made money in this coin today. And good luck to everyone currently in this coin and to everyone looking to take a position. This is DOGE Dogecoin. Coinbase fixed the prices, but for some, not all. XRP and XDC still wrong. Are you a billionaire, Marvin? Or are you a millionaire? I saw Dogecoin peak $26 million per coin. This will happen with hyperinflation. Yeah, I sure hope so. Yeah, it was at like 27 million on CoinMarketCap. Everyone is rich. What is the price of bread if everyone is multi-millionaire? Probably a couple $100 or something like that. All right. Cool. Let's move on to TD now. Take that down. How many people are still here? A lot of people got kicked off. Damn YouTube. Is it up? I think it's still up. YouTube is... It says live, but I can't see myself on YouTube. Let me just make sure. Let me make sure. Because on the YouTube page, I cannot see myself. So I don't know if the stream is up or down or what. It's good on my end, but YouTube is saying there's an error. So if you guys say it's good, a lot of people left though. It only says 2 people are in here. It is working. All right, I'm just gonna have to trust it. I can't see myself, so hopefully it keeps on working here. But yeah, a lot of people got kicked off. Very unfortunate. But appreciate everyone that's sticking around here. All right. Cool. Let the inflation begin. Yeah, it's just the beginning. All right, next one, Ocugen. So here is OCGN Ocugen. This finishes at $4.81 today. That is down 9.25%. Okay, so here is a meme stock that we haven't talked about in a while. This did pump up to almost $18 last month, and has since sold off very significantly. And yeah, this was trending top 10 on StockTwits today. So we'll talk about it. So no specific news or anything to justify this price action. Just in general, a lot of memes are selling off, this one included. So let's go ahead and analyze here. So this did look like it was... All right. So we do have a gap down at around $12. So that is a bullish indicator. That is telling us this stock should come back up to $12 eventually to fill the gap. We also have a gap up at 85 cents. So that is a bearish indicator. Excuse me. That is bearish. That is a bearish indicator. That is telling us this stock may come back down to 85 cents. Looks pretty unlikely at this point, but every day this sells off, it does look more and more possible. So just be aware of that, guys. This did look like a cup and handle was forming here. It looked like 530 was some very strong support. But after today's breakout to the downside, it looks like the cup and handle is getting rejected. So that's not good. That's pretty bearish there. Okay. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 530 and 375. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 530, 570, 605, 635, 665, $7, 740, 775, 830, 860, 890, 930, 965, 990, 1025, 1085, 1135, 1205, 1255, 1295, 1360, 14, 1585, 1750, and then the high of 1875. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 375, 335, 305, 255, 205, 155, 85 cents, 50 cents, and then the low of 30 cents. So right now at this current price, 480, the channel it's currently trading in is very wide. So from 530 down to 375, expect significant price action. Either way this goes. Anything above 530 and anything below 375 should the price action shouldn't be too bad. It should be pretty standard. But yeah, right now in this current channel, there will be a lot of price action. RSI is currently at 31, so not quite oversold and undervalued, but quickly approaching that. So this could be a good buying opportunity coming up here. And this did 22 million in volume today, which is below average, so this sell-off today was not confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice, and I don't mean to offend any Ocugen apes. I know you guys love the stock, but honestly, this looks really, really bad, in the short term at least. Pretty confident this will come back down to 375, touch the bottom of this channel here, and it may go as low as 85 cents to fill the gap. Again, doesn't look likely that it's going to go down to 85, but it might. And eventually it should come back up to 12 to fill this gap, the gap down. But in the short term, it's looking really, really bad. So not only is the TA, the graph, looking pretty bearish, fundamentally in general, I don't really believe in this stock because the stock is about bringing Covaxin into North America, and quite honestly, guys, I really don't think that's going to happen. You know, the pharmaceutical industry and the FDA are in bed together. If the FDA only wants Pfizer, Moderna, and J&J. They don't care about Covaxin, okay? But besides that, the thing does pump on the thing does pump on good PR, buying the rumor, and then it sells the news every single time. It did it 3 times already. So I do think it's going to go back up to 12 eventually. And when it does, hit the sell button this time, guys. This is a great stock to swing trade, not really a great stock to hold, in my opinion. Anyway, so if you want to go long, not financial advice, I'd hold off for right now. You should be able to get this at 375 and lower. So I don't like the current entry of 480, even though that is pretty low already. It should go back down to 375 and lower. So I'd support going long at 375, and if it pulls back, then you can just average down at the supports that I mentioned before. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, it's a pretty decent play, I will have to admit. I wouldn't personally do it because this already pulled back so much, and the RSI is pretty low. But in all honesty, again, it should pull back to 375, and that is about a 30% downside. So that is a pretty decent amount of attendees to be made. So I wouldn't personally do it, but I really can't blame you guys if you did want to do that. Going short here would be a medium risk, medium reward play. Worth a shot. Too risky for my liking, but again, couldn't blame you guys if you want to do that. And it may go low. It may go as low as 85 cents. So it could pay off pretty big. So if you guys want to do that, please do it at your own risk. But yeah, going short's really not a bad play. Just a bit risky. So if you guys want to do it, sure, go ahead. Do it at your own risk. So sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today. Could be a good buying opportunity coming up here very shortly. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is OCGN Ocugen. All right. Yeah, it looks like most people got kicked off the stream. That really sucks. It's damn YouTube. And this was a really good show today. There's a lot of people in here, and YouTube ruined it. So appreciate, you guys who are still in here. Don't know who's still in here, but yeah, you guys are the real ones. Damn YouTube messing up my show today. What a damn shame. Okay. So, crypto prices on a few markets going fake pricing. Yeah, CoinMarketCap, Coinbase. Am I still a millionaire? Low Roller wants to know. Am I still a millionaire? Let's check. Am I a fake millionaire? So I was worth 29 million earlier. Now I'm only worth 2 million. Now I'm only worth 2 million. So I just lost 27 million bucks in a couple minutes here. Pretty hilarious. Tether went to thousands. Yeah, Doge was like 27 million or something. Tether went to thousands. Yeah, I think Ether was at like 100 million or something ridiculous. Okay, so ESSC and then GRTX, these shouldn't take too long, and then ADGI, maybe. Okay. So here is ESSC, fucking ambulance. Eaststone Acquisition Corp. This finishes at $13.50 today. That is down 26.63%. So, really don't know too much about this stock, but it was trending top 10 on StockTwits today. So we'll talk about it. This is definitely in the middle of a short squeeze here. You shouldn't have YOLO all your money in crypto, Ty. Yeah, that's what happens in crypto. I just lost 27 million bucks in like 30 minutes. But what kind of ape would I be if I didn't? The only one thing to do now, YOLO them again. YOLO it in Doge options. Why not? Okay. So this is definitely either in the middle of a short squeeze or it's winding down here. But this definitely got short squeezed in the past couple of weeks here. So there wasn't any news to justify this price action. Apparently, this was caused by a Reddit squeeze. By Reddit traders. This stock was gaining momentum on Reddit, and they managed to do it. The apes managed to do it. So it went all the way from like $10 to $26 today. Crazy price action. It hit $26 at the high and came right back down to $13.50. So about a 50% loss from the high here in one day. Insane. But yeah, let's go ahead and analyze here. So this did have a gap up at 14.15, and that did fill today. This looks like a possible head and shoulders in the making here. No confirmation yet, but If this is in fact the head and shoulders, that is a bearish indicator. That means the stock should sell off. Don't really see anything else. And this is pumping in the aftermarket here up to 1450. So that is a bullish indicator. That tells us tomorrow is probably going to run to the upside. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 1415 and 1295. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 1415, 1530, 1820, 1935, and then the high of 2627. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 1295, 1245, 1170, 1065, 1030, 1010, and then the low of 990. Actually, nope. $990 and then the low of $925. So right now at this current price, $13.50, the channels to the upside and the downside are extremely wide. So expect significant price action either way this goes. However, if/when this comes back down to $10.65, the channel starts to narrow. So expect a significant decrease in price action if/when this comes back down to $10.65. RSI is currently at 56, so that's a little bit above average. And this did 22 million in volume today, which is by far the biggest volume day ever for this stock. Average volume is 190,000. So yeah, this is definitely a short squeeze here. Okay, guys. So yeah, this is either in the middle of a short squeeze or it's towards the end of a short squeeze here. Or this already may be over. Down to 13.70 now, so it is pulling back in the aftermarket. Personally, I do think it is over, or it's at least definitely at the end of the short squeeze here. Maybe wrong though, but honestly, I wouldn't go long or short right now. This is just way too risky either way. But I do think eventually it will come back down to 10.65 and lower. That's just what happens in these short squeezes. It squeezes, it pumps, and then it dumps. And someone's gonna be left holding the bag. Make sure it's not you. May not be over yet, but at some point in the near future, this will pull back very significantly. It already has. But it's gonna go even lower. So yeah, if you want to go long, not financial advice. Personally, I would not do that. It's just way too risky for my liking right now. But, you know, the squeeze still could be on. So, it could pay off pretty big. Going long here would be a high risk, high reward play. Very risky. So, yeah, again, I don't think that's such a great idea. This is a straight up gamble at this point. So, if you guys understand you are gambling and you're okay with that and you're okay with losing some money, then sure, go ahead. Go for it. But please do that at your own risk. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I don't think that's a great idea either because this may still be squeezing. And if it is, you could incur massive losses here. But like I said, eventually it should pull back down to 10.65 at least. So that'd be over a 20% downside. Probably more. That'd be about a 30% downside. So that is some pretty decent downside potential, pretty decent tendies. But I just really don't think the risk is worth the reward. You'd be risking getting squeezed out for 30%. 30% gains here. Really not worth it. So I don't think that's such a great idea. I would not do that, and I would not support that. So yeah, I do think right now the best play is to sell if you currently have a position, whether you're up or down. If you're up, take the profits. If you're down, stop the bleeding. And if you don't currently have a position, I think you should just stay away from this one altogether. If you want to go long, I didn't say this before, but if you want to go long, I think a good entry would be 1065 and lower. And it should come back down there pretty quickly. So I would support going long at 1065 and lower. Okay. So, sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today. If you're still up, consider taking profits. Not financial advice, but eventually this will have to pull back. So don't get too greedy, guys. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is ESSC, Eastone Acquisition Corp. All right. One more, or possibly two more. Wow, this is going up in the aftermarket. So here is GRTX, Galera Therapeutics. This finishes at $2.70 today. That is up 95.65%. So this one was number 10 on StockTwits today. Major price action. So let's talk about it. So this is definitely short squeezing right now. And there was a reason as to why this is short squeezing, or at least why this started short squeezing. We did have some news, so let's take a look at that. Oh, we have a price upgrade too. Okay. Galera Therapeutics shares are trading higher after the company announced the primary endpoint met statistical significance in corrected top-line efficacy data of Phase 3 Roman trial of avasopasim. And in addition to that, we do have a price upgrade. BTIG upgrades to $15, which is pretty absurd to me, but okay. So yeah, great PR. They had very positive trial results, and it got a price upgrade. So, yeah, apes liked it, institutions liked it, everyone jumped in today, piled in, and squeezed the stock. And apparently it's still squeezing. It looks like we're in the middle of a short squeeze right now. It's not over yet. So, yeah, let's go ahead and analyze here. So we do have a gap down at 725. So that is a bullish indicator. That is telling us this stock should come back up to 725 eventually to fill that gap. We also have a gap up today at 140. So that would be a bearish indicator that is telling us this stock should come back down to 140 eventually to fill that gap. Okay. So right now, this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 345 and 255 and 255. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 345, 605, 645, 670, 690, 705, 725, yeah, we'll stop there, and 725. And there is resistance above 725, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 255, 230, 195, 175, 160, 140, and then the low of 120. So right now at this current price, 270, the channels to the upside are pretty wide, up until 645. So from 255 up until 645, expect significant price action. Anything below 255 and above 645, expect regular price action. RSI is currently at 68, so not quite overbought and overvalued. But be careful, guys. Quickly approaching that. And this did 277 million in volume today. By far the biggest volume day. Yeah, ever. By far the biggest volume day ever for this stock. Average volume is 1.5 million. So yeah, this definitely is squeezing right now, and the squeeze today was confirmed by the volume. And this is going up in the aftermarket here, up to 310. So that's a bullish indicator that is telling us this stock probably will continue to run tomorrow. Okay, guys. So, just my opinion, not financial advice. This does appear like we are in the middle of a short squeeze right now. It does not appear like it's over just yet. It probably will keep running for the next few days here. Don't know how high it's going to go, but maybe it'll fill the gap at 725. And just be warned, guys, eventually the squeeze will have to come to an end, and I do expect it to come back down to 140 to fill that gap. So if you want to go long, not financial advice, couldn't blame you, because again, we are squeezing right now, and it probably will continue to run to the upside in the next few days. But that is a straight up gamble. Going long here would be a high risk, high reward play. It can pay off pretty big, but yeah, high risk, high reward. Do it at your own risk, and please hit the sell button eventually, guys. Don't get caught holding the bag. Don't be too greedy. If you're up, hit the sell button. So I could support going long here at 270. But again, it is very risky. Please do that at your own risk and hit the sell button. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that just yet. Again, this is in the middle of a short squeeze. So if you were to go short here, you're probably going to get squeezed out. So I would definitely wait until the end of the squeeze is over, and you should be able to get a much better price. So just watch and observe the price action in the next few days. Once this starts to pull back, then I would come in and make your move. And you should be able to make a lot of money on the short side once you get in after the squeeze is over. But don't get in right now. That'd be a bad idea. And this may go back to 140 to fill the gap. So going short looks like an excellent play, just not yet. Going short right now would be really bad. But very soon here, after the squeeze is over, going short would be an excellent play. So get ready for that. Okay. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today. Consider taking profits if you're up, not financial advice. And be careful. In the next few days, price action is going to be absolutely nuts. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is GRTX, Galera Therapeutics. Alright, guys. I think the stream is still up. Yeah, it is. It is up. Good. Looks like people coming back in here. So, yeah, thank you, guys. My apologies. YouTube is messing up the show today. But thank you to everyone who's still here. And I think we're going to do this one, honorable mention here. ADGI. And we'll get to the Yolos. We're making some pretty good time here, too. So I'm not going to do a full TA here. But we're going to talk about this one very briefly. Because this was number 1 on StockTwits in terms of trending, not active. But, yeah. Look at this one. ADGI. Adagio Therapeutics. This is down $27 today. Down 78.81%. Okay. It looks like it reconnected. So the stream went down again. That time it was my fault. But it looks like we're good again here. So my fault, guys. Alright, so yeah. ADGI down 78.81% today. And this is because it had some bad news. I think their trial results went pretty badly. Their clinical trial results. So yeah, this is a biotech, you know, double-edged sword, very volatile. But yeah, this and this actually was at like 79 last month, like 15 days ago, 2 weeks ago. So it goes from 79 down to 7 in 2 weeks. What the absolute hell? You gotta be kidding me. But yeah. Today this was at 34 and now it's at 725. So hey. So all-time low here. I believe this company was working on some C19 drugs. And the trials went really bad. But yeah, you know. Now there's a gap at 33. So it should come back up to 33 eventually. Probably take a while. But, yeah. Probably not done selling off just yet, but it should start to bottom out here pretty soon. So it could be a good buying opportunity. Not financial advice. But this really can't go too much lower. And, yeah, it should come back up to 20 to 33 eventually. So, it does look like a good buy right now, just based on the chart here. I can't even lie. This is nuts. So, yeah, this wasn't trending. This wasn't on the top 10 most active, but this was number 1 on trending, so definitely worth talking about. And if it does go top 10 on active, then I guess I got to do a full TA later on. But yeah, for right now, honorable mention, crazy price action on the stock today, down 79%. And if you guys want to buy it, then not financial advice, it does look pretty good, just based on the TA here. But crazy stuff, crazy stuff. All right. So, yeah, guys, that is all the TA for today. You guys aren't chatting, so I hope we're still good here. It does appear so. It says 5 people here. So, cool. Let's move on to the Yolos, guys. Someone say something. Make sure. I just want to make sure you guys are still here, because YouTube is effing up today. I want to make sure I'm not talking to myself here. All right, let me pull up the Yolos, guys. 1 second. I'm good money. All right, just wanted to make sure. Cool. So yeah, appreciate everyone who's still here. You guys are the real ones, real MVPs. You know, this is a great show. I'm having a great time right now, but YouTube, unfortunately, YouTube is, you know, messing up today. So kicked a lot of people off. A lot of people left. So really appreciate you guys who are still here and coming back. We in the building. All right, cool. Yeah, appreciate you guys. All right, let me pull up the Yolos here. We have quite a few memes actually, and a few good Yolos. All right, almost done here. All right, I think we're good. Time is it 5:50? So yeah, we are making some pretty good time here. Should be done by I don't know, 6:15, maybe 6:30. And if you guys want me to look at any charts, put them in the chat right now, and we'll get to that after the Yolos. All right, gonna take a drink here, and let's get started. All right, so today should be fun. Got a few memes here, a few general YOLOs, and then we got GME, AMC, Tesla Palantir, and what's this one? Virgin Galactic. All right, let's do it, guys. So this first one is by Lunar Inferno. They say, meanwhile, in the land of Artard. So, yeah, we got a meme here. So this is Time Person of the Year. So, you know, you guys know Elon Musk was the Time Person of the Year. And here we have Bill Wong. For those of you who don't know, back in March, when I first started the show, this was a big thing. This guy owned Archegos. It was a hedge fund, well, family office. And he was worth $20 billion with a B, 20 billion. And he took max margin. So he was borrowing like another 80 billion. So he was worth 20 billion, borrowed another 80 billion, YOLO'd it all on a few stocks like Viacom, Discovery, Baidu, and a few others. And he got margin called, and now he's broke. That's how you go from 20 billion to zero. So, yeah. I don't know about Time Person of the Year. Artard, or Time Artard of the Year would be more accurate. But yeah, this is pretty funny. Good stuff. Read some comments here. In 2 days, he lost more than entire Wall Street Bets lost corn since inception. That's impressive. That is pretty impressive. How the hell do you lose $20 billion? That is pretty impressive. Go big or go to Wendy's. That's true. That's true. I'll give Bill Wong the Wendy's. And the clown, I guess. Alright. Moving on here. Onto the Yolos. So these are a few general ones. This one's by Not a Throwaway. F it. They say life savings 20K to 55K to $200. So glad my brother tipped me off to SRNE options. Okay. So impressive graph here. Looks like it's cup and handling. I don't know. Maybe it's bottoming out. It's bottoming out around $0. Looks like zero is the bottom. So, yeah, pretty impressive. So he ran it up to 55K pretty quickly. This honestly seems like he tried options for the first time. Beginner's luck. You know, doubled up pretty quickly here. 1.5, more than doubled up. Went up 150%. And then he's like, yeah. And it's just speculation. And then he's like, yeah, options. This is great. And then he YOLO'd and lost a ton of it. And then he YOLO'd some more and lost all of it. So SRNE options. That was trending, I remember, on Wall Street Bets. There's another biotech here, so no surprise. Yep. So pretty impressive. 20K, 55K, and $200 now. So, hey, he belongs here. He belongs here. Very impressive. I don't know how you do this. So I'll give him the Wendy's and I'll give him the clown. And the Wendy's. Totally forgot about the Peter Tuchman. So yeah, not a throwaway. F it. Thanks for posting. Great content. Very sorry for your loss, but totally deserved, dude. And yeah, you belong here. And yeah, man, you know, at this point, get a job, maybe work at Wendy's for a little bit, come back and do it the right way this time. You know, not FD YOLO everything. So, yeah, man. Thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss, and good luck to you. The retarded part is throwing shade at your brother. Yeah, why is he blaming his brother for? This is his fault. Alright. PZ. Could you check ATER? Sure, dude. Of course. That is... I believe that's a crypto stock. I shorted that a couple times. I think I lost money on that. On the short side, actually. I think that's a crypto meme stock. But yeah, we'll check it out. Alright, so more lost corn here. This one's by Lil Dog Ass. They say lost corn with a P, 3K, 36K, 4K. So not as impressive as the other one, but still pretty good. Let's check it out. Yeah, at least he's on IBKR. I like that. So it's in Canadian dollars, but yeah. So that was pretty quick. Went from 35K back down to 4K. I don't know what these positions are, but... So he's right back where he started. Actually, he's still up. He's up He's up like 35% from 3K to 4K. So, yeah, he's still in the green. I give him that. At least he didn't lose money. But yeah, pretty much the same thing it looks like. Looks like he found options, ran it up 3K to 35K. So, you know, pretty impressive. 1,100% gain there. And then chucked it all back. Like, pretty quickly. So, it definitely belongs here. But hey, he's still up, which is the impressive part, I will say. Wow. This is Randy from South Park. I ain't hear no bell yet. You remember that episode? Don't know if you guys watch South Park, but it's the one when we fought the Bat Dad. I ain't hear no bell yet. New South Park is coming out in 2 days. Excited for that. So good stuff, good stuff. 3K to 4K in a year is pretty great rate of return. Yeah, that's 35%. That's still pretty good. Play the game again? Yeah, he's gonna do it again. Wow. Oh boy, oh boy. Alright, man, good luck to you. Thanks for posting, good luck to you, man. Alright, this one is by Jamerica Industries. So, we definitely reviewed this guy before. And this is the guy with the all-in GME YOLO. So he was at 200% diversity before, which is max margin on GME. At least they're shares, not options. But yeah, here's an update. Behold the Quisets. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Quisets Artardech portfolio diversity 943% GME YOLO. So this guy continues to outdo himself. So literally before he was all in GME, 200% diversity, all in margin. So the way you do this, the way you get 940% portfolio diversity is portfolio margin, which is anyone who has over 100K qualifies for portfolio margin, which, you know, only use that if you guys know what you're doing. But yeah, he's literally all in portfolio margin GME. Stupid. And it could be smart, but pretty stupid. And yeah. So this was a 700K YOLO and more than that, like 710K YOLO, and he's down 282K. Down 40%. Down 40%. That doesn't seem right, but he's on margin. So yeah, you know, reviewed this guy a couple of times. He's still at it. He went even more hard. He added on. Wow. And hey, he's holding. He's holding. So we'll keep on following this. Don't do this, guys. This is stupid. But great content. So Jamerica Industries, thanks for posting. You are something, dude. You are a legend. No matter what happens, you are a legend, dude. And I'm rooting for you. I hope this works out. But yeah, man, keep it up. Please post updates, and good luck to you. Yeah, how has he not gotten margin called yet? I do want to know that. How is he not margin called? All right, on to some actual plays now. We got 4 more. All right, Marvin. Not sure what that is. Twitter link, but we'll get to that after the yellows here. This one is by Puzzle-Headed Bill 10. He says AMC to the moon. All right, so this is pretty good. He has 500 calls for AMC. $25 strike expiring this Friday, December 17th. So this appears to be this was a 69K YOLO. Nice. Literally a 69K YOLO. Or 68,500. Almost 69K. And he's up $11,000. Up 16% right now. So we got 3 days to go. AMC is at 24.50. So this is out of the money right now. So 3 days to go up 50 cents. You know, very possible. But yeah, you know, I think this is pretty obvious, pretty straightforward. I think this is I think it's a stupid play to begin with. YOLOing $69,000 on an FD like this. But hey, it worked. For 1 day at least. AMC did go up a lot today. And he's up 11,000 bucks, 16%. I would just cut this. This is pretty straightforward to me. If you don't cut, you may not lose it. It may work out, but you got to think about the risk reward. If it doesn't work out, you're going to lose $80,000. So would you rather be up 11,000 or down, I guess not down 80,000, but down 69,000, up 11,000 or down 69,000? You choose. Pretty obvious to me. So yeah, I think this is straightforward. Got to sell here. Don't do this in the first place, guys. This is majorly stupid. Great content though, in the name of content, I guess. But yeah, at this point, this is pretty obvious. Got to cut. Got to cut. But hey, this is Wall Street Bets. He may just hodl. Let me see if he sold. Okay, so since this post 5 minutes ago, I lost 13K. So he's actually down now. He's actually down now. He's down 2K right now. So yeah, cut, dude. Cut it before you lose everything. Yeah, this is stupid. Also posted a meme in the group. All right, man. So yeah, puzzle-headed Bill 10. Thanks for posting. Great content. Stupid play. Good strike. Bad expiration. Super FD. Don't do this, guys. And yeah, this was good at the time, but I guess you're down now. So my advice would be cut it before you lose everything. You should have cut it right here. But now you're down, and you should cut before. You're not down by that much, though. 2K. You know, that's still pretty good. That's really nothing compared to the bet here. But yeah. Cut it before you lose everything. That's all I'll say. Or you know what? Just hold. Just hold and post again. In the name of content. That'd be great. But smarter thing to do would be to cut. So yeah, thanks for posting. Great content. And good luck to you, man. Please post updates. Want to see how you handle this one. Alright, next one by Cali's Finest. Has an ape tag here. They say 773K Tesla calls bought just before close yesterday. Oh my god. Alright. So yeah. 230 Tesla calls at the 950 strike expiring December 17th. So expires in 3 days. This is absurd. I really hope he can afford to lose this. So yeah, this was a $773,000 YOLO, and right now he's down $9,000, which is only 1%. Pretty impressive. Alright, let's check out Tesla. Law, hold, and post. Yeah, in the name of content. I hear the first siren of the day. I think that's a first. Usually we get like, I don't know, 5 sirens. This is the first siren at the end of the show. Alright, so it's in the money. It's at 5. It's at 958. So, I don't know. I don't have a good feeling about this. this gap does have to fill at 910. We just did the TA yesterday. RSI is pretty low though, but kind of looks like it wants to bear flag here. Chart doesn't look great. Let's put it that way. Chart does not look great. So this was 23 hours ago. So he was down 23 hours ago, and Tesla went down today. So he's probably down even more and pulling back in the aftermarket here. Oh boy, oh boy. Yeah, so you know what? I don't even know why he did this. Did he expect some massive jump? Anyway, yeah, I think this one is pretty obvious too. You gotta cut. Because if you don't, really good chance you're gonna be down $773,000. And he probably lost a lot since yesterday. You know, he had 4 days to go, and so Theta Decay is probably eating at him a lot right now. So, yeah, the play itself, stupid. It's a decent strike, good strike, bad expiration, bad timing, and I don't know why the hell you would YOLO this much money, unless you really can't afford to lose this. But this is just stupid. You know, 1%, $9,000 is more than most Americans have. So, yeah, this is ridiculous. But hey, Cali's finest. Thanks for posting. This is some great stuff here. You are a legend. No matter what happens, you are a legend, dude. And you and the other guy, the GME guy, Jamerica Industries, legend. So I'm rooting for you, man. Certainly hope it works out. I think you should sell, cut the loss before this goes really bad. But hey, this is Wall Street Bets, so I expect you to hold, and we'll see what happens, man. Yeah, no matter what happens, you are a legend. You have respect from everyone on this forum, all the retards on this forum. Man is putting 15 years of average U.S. salary on Tesla weeklies. How big of a pair are you rocking? Question is, what are they made of? Ain't steel? Made of vibranium. Balls of vibranium. Diamond balls. Oh, boy. Well, the bears are starting to smell blood in Tesla. Yeah, and Elon is selling off himself. That too. All right, two more. This one by Arshishi. They say Palantir potential gut in the making. Down 35K. Let's see if we can hit 0. All right, so we got 305 calls for Palantir, $25 strike expiring February 18th, 2022. So there's 2 months to go. Decent amount of time left. So this was a 45K YOLO, and right now he's down 35K, down 79%. So actually, you know, the play itself isn't that terrible. These were bought in advance, so you know the strike is, at the time the strike was pretty decent, and so was the expiration. Just the timing was really bad. So this isn't a complete ape play. I can see what he tried to do here. But overall, you know, it's a decent play, just not working out right now. But let's check out Palantir. And apparently it's a meme stock now. So 2 months to go, has to go up to 25. There is a gap down at 26. So this actually does still have a chance. But right now this is, you know, hitting lower lows every day. So it's not looking too great. RSI is pretty low though, so. 18. It needs like over 30% in 2 months here. Going to be pretty difficult, but possible. Still got 9.5K here. A lot of money. Yeah, I think he should cut. Probably not going to happen. According to Delta, what's the Delta? February 18th, 25. Delta is 16. So 16% chance this works. 16%. Wow. Yeah, I think you should cut, dude. Yep, still got 9.5K. Only 16% chance this works. So I think this is pretty obvious. Got to cut here. I know it sucks, but hey, save yourself 10K. But, you know, he says, let's see if we can hit 0. So he's not selling. He's not selling. Diamond hands all the way to Wendy's.
With diamond hands, they knew they'd profit if they could only hold.
So, yep, good stuff. So, She, thanks for posting. Great content. Sorry for your loss so far. The play itself is not too bad, I have to admit. I understand what happened here. So, I hope this isn't too much money for you. Hope you can afford to take the loss. And, yeah, I think you should cut. But it sounds like you have no plans on doing that. So, good luck to you, man. Or lady, says She. So, you know, please post updates. Good luck to you. Rooting for you. Initial thesis was when Palantir goes below 23, it kangaroos back to 26. Ain't looking great. Yeah, there was a method to the madness here. Alright, last one. This one is by Low Organization 6887. They say everyone's getting effed. Alright. So, this is for Virgin Galactic. We got 866 calls for SPCE. And this is what you call ape diversification. A lot of different strikes, a lot of different expirations. So, yeah, it's all over the place. We got expirations for December 17th, December 23rd, December 31st, and January 21st. $35, $30, and $40 strikes. And this was a 15K YOLO, and right now he's down 12K, down 78%.
Good.
Okay, and what's hilarious is that he added December 11th. So last week, or was it last week? Oh, I guess it went through yesterday. But he added yesterday more. Now, I'm not sure how many more, but he added $40 calls January 21st. Okay, he just added yesterday. How stupid is this? $40 strike. Look at this. Virgin Galactic is at 15. Right, it's at 15. And he's like, yep, I think in a month it's going to go to 40, and he just adds more. Oh my god. This is like peak retardedness right here. I don't know. I have no words. Buy the dip, I guess. But yeah, this ain't happening. This ain't happening. They're all pretty much worthless already. I guess he added lotto tickets. They weren't that much, so he added some lotto tickets here. Cool, I guess. So yeah, bad strikes, bad expirations, bad timing, all around pretty terrible. So yeah, down 12K, and still got 3,500 approximately in value here. I think this is pretty obvious. You got to cut, because if you don't, there goes more money. There goes another 3,500. No reason for that. Just take the loss, dude. And if we look at Delta, right? Let's look at Delta here. January 21st, right? 40 strike. Delta is 3%. So 3% chance this works. I guess they're better. That's a little better than lottery tickets. But yeah, this one's pretty obvious to me. Gotta cut. Or you lose another 3,500. So low organization 6887. Thanks for posting. Great content. Sorry for your loss, but not really that sorry. You kind of deserve this one. This is pretty stupid, straight up, all around terrible. And I think you should cut, but hey, good luck to you, man. Please post updates. I couldn't picture there being female apes out there, but I'm pretty sure they exist. Yeah, they're probably just not as open about it, you know. This forum's like for bros, and they just laugh at each other, and I'm sure the female apes exist, but just not very many. Kind of like the percentage on this channel. I think I looked one time, it was like 96% male, 4% female. So this show does get some female viewers. So there are female apes, but probably 95 to 5% wise, I would say. At least not YOLO on risky stock options, if there are female apes. Yeah, probably like an older divorced woman or widow or something with a lot of money. That's what I picture a female ape to be like. Not really a young, you know, young college student or, you know, relatively young lady, which is typically what apes are, you know, like 30 to 40 years old. Some younger, but generally around like 30, I would say an ape is. I can't really see a young female ape. I see older female apes, but maybe I'm just generalizing. I don't know. Damn, low roller. All right, you got a lot of YOLOs here. Let's check them all out, and we'll get to Marvin's Twitter thing, and then we'll do ATER for PZ, and then let's get out of here, guys. Load it up. Dogecoin, huh? It's all I have in my Robinhood account. Sold my used car and put in about 6K with an average of 20 cents. Biggest mistake of my life, or am I at least getting my money back at some point? Hey, he got his money back already. But, he sounds pretty poor. And he shouldn't be doing this, but yeah, he already got his money back today. But I'm not sure if this is the best idea, you know, selling your stuff and then putting it into meme coins. But hey, that's what an ape is. Not that bad, though. It's, you know, 6K. He should have made it back already. So, yeah, good luck to you, man. Alternative unlucky, 45. He said he sold $80 profit. That's it? Okay. Oh, he sold it all. All right, good. Probably got scared, and he said, "Oh hell no," cashed out while he was up. So smart on that, smart play there. All right, this one is by the Cramps, 28K 1 day YOLO, go from negative 12K to up 1.3K, 13.5K in 1 day. If I was him, I'd take my money out. Yeah, that's the smart thing to do. So not a total ape. What did he do here? SPY. SPY calls, okay. SPY call, but it went down. I guess he timed it well. Yeah, so SPY YOLO's here. So yeah, super A play, super A play. Look at the graph. Graph is like a cup and handle. Graph is a cup and handle. So he dumped it while he was at the top. Good. Good stuff. Yeah, so super A play. Don't do this, guys. This is insane. Dogecoin guy will do it again since he sold his car for Dogecoin. I bet he will be back YOLO. Dogecoin go up to 50 cents. He can probably buy Dogecoin. He's probably buying Dogecoin when it reaches 50 cents. Yeah, he's going to chase. He's going to FOMO. All right, by Automanab. I just got an ad. If I've lost 50K in a stock, I should contact that lawyer. I'm almost there. Riding till riding till all my wish gets crushed. Oh god. And this is just shares too. So this is what happens. 97.2% portfolio diversity. So ape diversification. So he's not all in. He's pretty much all in though. So yeah, 9,300 shares. What is it? 70K YOLO, and he's down 40K, 57%.
Bruh.
And yeah, if you contact a lawyer and you do a class action lawsuit, you know, you probably get a couple bucks back, because you got to split the money with all the other apes. So you probably get a little money back, maybe like 10 bucks. I don't know why people believe in Wish. Why do apes love Wish so much? Come on. Wish and Clover and MMAT. What the hell? Why do people like these stocks so much? It makes no sense. Context no logic. Yeah, that's funny. It's called Context Logic is the company name. Context no logic. Wish to 69 cents. All right. So last one here. Lose money always. Pretty accurate. Omicron made me rich, part 3. I think I saw this, I saw part 2. So what's he got? I don't know any of these stocks. I don't know any of these. I know SPY, XRT, NDAQ, IWF, RETL. I don't know any of these, but hey, alright. So not sure what the cost basis was, but cool. You know, everyone's getting wrecked, and, you know, at least some people are making money here. Good stuff, good stuff. I don't know if Wish is the one I would go all in on. It could be worse. You know, some people got MMAT, all in MMAT. But yeah, Wish I think is a lot better than Clover or MMAT. Let's put it that way. If I had to choose one, I'd choose Wish. That's not saying much though. All right, what's this? We got one for Twitter. So thanks, Roller, for that. So Marvin posted this by Brandon, Revival Brand. When the boomers see CoinMarketCap glitch and panics. Oh my god. What was this? 5 trillion? 584 trillion? Sell confirmation 1228. That was good. That was good. and of course the apes with diamond hands, 584 billion trillion. This is funny. This is good. Thanks, Marvin. This is hilarious. No more Floki Inu rug pull. Look at CoinMarketCap. Is it fixed yet? It is fixed. All right, CoinMarketCap is fixed. What's Doge at? All right. Floki Inu. The hell? Why did this randomly go up? No, it was the glitch. It was the glitch. Was it not? Was this not the glitch? This is the glitch. This is the glitch, right? It has to be. Let me check Doge to make sure. What the hell? Did it really go up that much? Yeah, it's a glitch. It's a glitch. Because Doge went up to 26 million. Doge went up to 26 million, so it's the glitch. I was about to say, if Floki really went up that much, no, it's a glitch. What up, Deshi Guy? Sorry if I mispronounced your name, but thanks for being here, man. Appreciate you. Ending the show here, but thanks for popping in at the end, man. Please smash the like button, guys. Would appreciate that. Great show, but YouTube messing up my show here today. Yeah, Laurel, I think I just went there. I think it's the same thing. Took them long enough. Yeah, I was just here. So it's a glitch. It didn't actually go up to whatever it says it did. It was Floki Inu was 840,000. Maybe a lot of people saw it going up and FOMO in. Yeah, because that's exactly what you do when it goes up that much, right? You just FOMO in. Smart. Alright, so one more order of business. We're going to do ATER for PZ, and then we'll get out of here, guys. Do I own Ocugen? Not anymore. I used to. If you want, dude, earlier in the show, I did a full TA, full analysis on Ocugen, with support and resistance and stuff like that. I used to own it. I swing traded it. I sold it at like 9 or something, way back. And yeah, in summary, I said Ocugen does not look good in the short term, unfortunately. But yeah, if you want, you can rewind, dude. I explain why I think it's not looking good right now, and I will timestamp it, very shortly here when the show ends. So, sounds like you own it. So, sorry about that, man. It's been pretty rough. But yeah, eventually it should come back up to 12. We can look at Ocugen real quick. There's a gap here at 12, so it should come back up here eventually. How long it's going to take, I don't know. Probably a while. But in the short term, it does not look too great. And but yeah, man. If you want, you can rewind or wait a little bit, maybe like half hour. I have the timestamp up. And I'll explain what I think about Ocugen. But I do think it's a good stock to swing trade, not necessarily hold long term. But yeah, anyway, thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you. ATER. Read the new meme coin and coin market cap? Too late, dude. Oh, you don't have it anymore. Sold at 14, so hell yeah, man. Congrats to you. So you sold near the top. I mean, maybe you should buy back in. Not financial advice, but this is a good entry, pretty good entry. 375 and lower. Owned it for a long time though. Hey, you did good, man. You sold it at the right time. You could have got a little better, but hey, good stuff there. You got out before it went real bad. In coin market cap, in real life. That's funny. Floyd Money Mayweather. I don't know who this guy is, but he broke. That was pretty funny. How that happened live, and I'm like, what the hell? We're rich. All right, so I guess we'll do ATER. We'll look at these meme stocks, these meme coins, and we'll get out of here. All right, so PZ, this is for you. I hope you're still here, dude. Sorry it took so long, but okay. It looks pretty good, honestly. Looks like it's holding pretty strong here at 410. So this is a really good price here. Low was 305. But yeah, you really can't go too wrong here at 410. It looks like it's holding pretty strong. And here's the cup and handle. So it should come back up to, you know, like $10 or 15, 17. Eventually, may take a while, but this does look like the bottom. It's bottoming out here, catching some strong support, cup and handle. So, looks pretty good to me, dude. I'd support going along here. 457, really good price. And if it pulls back, then you can you know, average down. Still in the building. Appreciate you, man. Yeah, this looks pretty good to me. I really, you know, really can't go too much lower. So, yeah, it looks like a really good buy to me. Not financial advice. So it might go down to 305 if it does break the support, but, you know, it should hold up pretty well. It can't go too much lower here. Okay. So what do we got? We got to do, Low Roller wants me to look at the meme coins again. What do I think about Prague? I think Monir, another community member, asked me about this earlier. Like, literally earlier in the show. So it does look... Be careful with this one. This is a meme stock. It does look pretty good. You know, it looks like it's bottoming out here, catching support at 235. And we do have an ascending wedge here. It is consolidating, you know, between like $3 and 225. So it looks like it wants to break out again. You know, it looks like a cup and handle. It looks like it's bottoming out here at 235. Cup and handle, so it should come back up to like 750 or 575 eventually. The only thing I'm concerned about is there's this gap up here at 110. So that's pretty scary. It might come back down to 110. Hopefully not, unlikely, but possible. So if it wasn't for this gap up at 110, it does look really good to me. But this gap up really, really scares me here. So I would say this is a pretty decent buy at 250. But I'd probably set a stop at like 2. Just in case it sells off. Because this really could come back down to 110. So, yeah, that's what I would say. Good buy right now at 250, but there's a good chance, not a good chance, but it's possible it does pull back to 110. So, I would say 250 is cool, but set a stop at 2. So then that's a 20% loss, and then, you know, you're done with it there. It's a lot better than 50% loss, 60% loss. So I hope that answers your question, dude. And yeah, Deshi Guy, I don't think I've seen you here before. So yeah, appreciate you for being here, and please consider liking and subscribing. Everyone smash the like button for me. Appreciate that. All right. So we're gonna look at some meme coins, and we'll get out of here. So probably gonna go 2 hours 45 minutes today. That's cool. Yeah, Doge Alliance, Doge Dash, Goat Token, Kuber Finance. I don't know what that is. Yeah, Doge Dash, Doge Alliance, Goat Token. I think Doge Alliance is new. I've heard of Doge Dash before. I've seen it. Doge Dash, Doge Alliance. Okay. Flappy Shiba Inu. Flappy Shiba Inu. Okay. Shiba Wolf. Shiba Wolf. Really? Corey Inu. Council of Apes. Hey, that sounds pretty cool. Council of Apes. Honey badger. We're just gonna have different animals now. Party dog. Elo inu. Interesting. Council of Apes. That's one I would buy. That seems pretty cool. What the hell is this? Hellbound Squid, the game? Squidbound. Hellbound Squid, the game. Wow, down 68%. So, what, Squid Game 2.0? This is ridiculous. This is literally one day into trading, and it rugged 64%. All right. Yeah, thanks, Hello Roller. Yeah, Deshi Guy. Consider subscribing. Thank you. All right, guys. So, yep, that's the show for today. So, yeah, thank you to... So, this was a really great show. Thank you guys a lot. I enjoyed. Hope you guys enjoyed. You know, I knew this was going to be a great show. But, you know, YouTube's messing up here today. YouTube kicked everyone off. We had a lot of people in here. YouTube kicked a lot of people off. So, appreciate everyone who came back in. And yeah, thanks to everyone new who popped in. Thanks to all the regulars. And yeah, anything else, guys, before we get out of here? Great show today. I really enjoyed this one. Squid Game is still alive? Really? I thought you can't sell it. Okay. Doge Dash is tied to that NFT game they're about to drop. DOGE-.com. Sure. Let's see here. Doge Dash. Play demo. I hope I get how this is gonna come out on OBS. Is it working or what? It's not even working. I want to play the damn game. Oh, there we go. Turn off the sound. All right, play. How do I play? Who knows? Okay. Alright, so you jump? You just jump? Okay. It's like Mario. Okay. Like I'm a beast. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I died. Alright, I got 490. Alright, that's pretty cool. Buffering? Well, it worked here. Anyway, yeah, I got a 490. Pretty cool. Interesting. So yeah, that's the show, guys. So yeah, good stuff, good stuff. A really good show. So yeah, once again, thank you to everyone. Thank you to all the regulars. Thank you to everyone new, and thank you for everyone who came back after YouTube kicked everyone off. But yeah, that's all I got for today. So, anything else? Questions? Comments, concerns, charts? I can't even see it buffering because you know, YouTube says it's an error right now. I can't even see myself. You good now? It was buffering? Did you guys see me play the game? Damn, you guys didn't see me play the game? Wow, it wasn't live. Wow, so I played the game and no one saw it. Yeah, I got a 490. I got a 490. I don't know if that's good or not. But I'm not gonna play it again. It was pretty funny though. It's like Mario. All right. Posting link in DD to Doge Dash. Do you legit believe in that, Marvin, or what? Like, is it legit or is it just a stupid meme coin? I don't know. I'll take a look. But thanks for that, dude. Yes, but it didn't move. Yeah, that sucks. That sucks. Yeah, probably the stream couldn't handle the game there. All right. I think that's it. I saw it, but the game wasn't moving live. So I guess you guys did see it. Whatever. That was pretty fun. All right, cool. Yeah, I think that's it, guys. So, yeah, once again, anything else before we get out of here? Going once. Going twice. Cool. Nope, not really. My brother liked it, though. I'll check it out. I'll check it out. But, yeah, it seems like another stupid meme coin to me. Alright, let's get out of here. Thanks, everyone, for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on The Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know. Diamond hands to the moon. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.